Hello everyone, I am Ankita Patsa from 2K16 pass out batch of Assembly of Angels. Currently, I am pursuing BTech degree from Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, Bhubaneswar. I have been the topper of my school, scoring 97.4% in 2016, and I feel the success which I have got is all due to my school. But since the day I have passed out from Assembly of Angels, every single day I have been missing those wonderful school days. Assembly of Angels is the best chapter of my life till date. The love, the care, the environment which I have received here could not be compared with anything else. Our teachers work hard to give us the best out of everything, and the students share a very friendly relation with the teachers. Even after passing out, I share a very cordial relation with every teacher of my school. They are very helpful, cooperative, and we can reach out to them in every problematic situation of our life. Besides these, the lush greenery, the fruit trees, flower garden, everything, all these make our school environment really mesmerizing. Our school also has received a lot of awards for its green environment. Also, sports, cultural, and social activities are encouraged here. Annual sports meet, annual functions are held every alternate year. Assembly of Angels is also a member of Interact Club, through which we have tried to help the poor, needy, and the physically challenged people in many different ways. Also, we pay regular visit to the old age homes and share their feelings and try to help them in every possible way we can. We have also been top performers in 26 January parade and many cultural activities. Having said all these, I just want to convey that Assembly of Angels has played a very important part in shaping my life and given the most important lessons of my life, which I will never forget. Lastly, I just want to congratulate everyone, my principal ma'am, my administrator sir, all my teachers, and all other staff members who have contributed more or less for the successful and glorious 25 years of Assembly of Angels. Thank you.